Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, it looks like uNosipho and Mpumelelo have unfollowed one another on Instagram. Now I did double check and indeed they have unfollowed one another. Mpumelelo on his side is only currently following Utirelo. And I know for sure that uNosipho, she was following Usibindi. I don't know about him, but clearly they are not following one another anymore. Mpumelelo himself, he still has that one picture of him and uNosipho together. uNosipho, I remember she did post her and Mpumelelo, but I remember seeing it on her stories. I don't know if she actually did post it on her feed. All I know is that I can't find any of her pictures with her and Mpumelelo on her Instagram feed anymore. Now, guys, I did do a video where I said that uNompumelelo, when someone actually, not uNompumelelo, uNosipho, when someone actually commented on one of her pictures, they said Masibindi, and she said not anymore. So I went ahead to check if they still follow one another, and it looks like, guys, angazi ukuthi sekuphelile. As I said, I don't know if this is really it, if really they no longer together, or even if this is just a publicity stunt. Because remember, it could be that uNosipho's family said, listen, that's not gonna fly, that's not gonna happen. Phuma kulo mfana, like get out, like take yourself out of that guy. And maybe then they decided to take the step, or either for real, you guys, these people are no longer together and they have broken up. So guys, it looks like the Mamkhulu position lays vacant again. So if you guys want to apply for Mamkhulu, it looks like it's open, because listen, one thing about Mpumelelo, he's gonna go hunting. Not even hunting, because some of these girls, I believe they come to him with the illusion that he's got money. So that position is going to lay vacant. And listen, the sad part is I don't think now that uNosipho's out that automatically that's going to make Utirelo uMamkhulu. I don't see that happening. And that is quite sad, guys. Imagine you being in that position. Now Utirelo is the only one who's left standing. And he's like, oh, okay, we should be together. I must go and look for another person to fill this Mamkhulu position, because Mpumelelo said all that he knows is that he is going to marry 3 wives, and where the one comes out, that means that that one who's coming out is making space for another person. So that means, girl, who knows, because Mpumelelo, outside of the main girlfriends that he has side chicks. So that means the other ones who are in line, guys, they're going to move up a position, while Utirelo is just going to stay as wife number 2 or girlfriend number 2. And yeah, I guess now we possibly gonna see another Mamkhulu, or I don't know, because Nosipho was apparently one that was chosen from the ancestors. So I don't know, the ancestors are gonna have to choose themselves another Zulu Chichi virgin wife, because clearly Utirelo does not meet the criterias. But I mean, she knows her man, and she says her and her man speak about everything. So unless maybe next season, guys, we'll see another Mamkhulu, or I don't know. My thing is like, why did he even bring her to the show? Or maybe things were looking promising, because I'm thinking to myself, I don't think Mpumelelo is that dumb, guys, that he'd bring just a nobody girl to the show and introduce her as uMamkhulu. That means these people have been dating, or either if they haven't been dating, she made such an impression to him to a point that he was willing to make her wife number 1, to a point where he lost a whole Vuyokazi. He lost a whole Vuyokazi, guys, for someone who's gonna dump him like that. I don't know, guys. Tell me what you are making out of this whole thing, you guys. But anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.